hand like this on the trigger. Then focus. Aim. Look at this space here. You see this space? Then put your eyes, look through the space. Then. Okay, good. Just hold it. Okay. This is it? Yes. This is it. For safety now. Safety. And now put your hand on the trigger. Yes, aim it. Aiming? Like this, yeah, bring your hand down. Must use your two hands. Yes, you hold it this way. Look at me. Is it like this? Yes. And now, yes, now. I should go straight to this place. Yes. Good. So when you shoot, good. When you shoot the hand, bullet, the gun will be moving. Now, that is how to use this. Remember, load your bullet. When you're loading your bullet, put your hand on safety. Then aiming your hand on the trigger, aim, shoot. Okay. Let me try now. So, our safety first is safety, then your finger on the trigger like that. Yes. Then you aim, you shoot. So this is really
Sewah!
yes, and I believe we'll go.
Sewah! 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 Koto! Ayan!
I did tell you.
Why your man?
My husband.
Hey!
You're welcome.
Nah.
You're welcome.
Hi.
No. Go.
Oh no, is that no food in this house?
Adana is yet to come back from market. I sent her to buy some food items.
And therefore, nothing at all for me to eat.
No! You will eat something. Let me quickly get you something to eat.
That's a problem.
I'm coming now.
You could go near Wamasa. Njaku no one on the carry. Tiako for a handy for nobody. Oh, one your man. Oh, you man now. Cherry man now. Oh, you man now. Hey, you were saying that there was nothing in the house, but this is all right. Perfect. Hey.
What took you so long? You're supposed to be back before now. Adana, don't tell me that you went to see that stupid, lousy boyfriend of yours called Sewah or what?
Mama! How can you say such a thing?
Don't mama me. Adana, answer my question.
No. I think I have had enough of this nonsense. Let the girl be. No, let me ask you. What crime has she committed in paying her boyfriend a visit? I think I have had enough of your posterity. What's the meaning of this? Let the girl be. What crime has she committed in paying her boyfriend a visit?
Hey! Nai, did you just say that?
I will say it and say it and say it again.
Hi.
Yes, that's exactly what you did when you were young.
Nai, stop it! Just stop it!
Don't allow me to remind you that you were sneaking out of your parents' house to visit me before we got
Nai, stop it! Stop it!
Papa, I didn't even visit him.
Whoa!
I was only going around the market to look for what to buy.
Did you hear her? The young girl was going to make sure that things were good for us. And you hear blowing your tops. No one commits a grievous crime in an exercise to eradicate a trivial one. Let this girl be.
How are you sure?
Again, Jay, go and prepare something for me. This one I've eaten, I'm alright, but make sure that dinner is ready in time.
Adana!
Mama,
come on, no. There's nothing like that. If anything happens to that girl,
what you are doing is not good. It's not fair.
we see the quick way my guy now. We see That's exactly what you did when you were younger.
Why are you saying it in my presence?
Well, if that is one, I accept my fault. I should have said, but I understand it. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay.
Just stop this.
It's all right. It's all right.
Now, guys, listen. No pain, no gain.
Sure, man.
Under the sun, not in the rain, because every which way in a way. Understand? Now, the situation whereby you go do small combing, okay? Then they pursue you. Understand? I want to teach you guys how to jump fence or anything maybe will block your way. Understand? Now, first of all, you focus. Okay? Focus. Now, when you run, you see? Okay? Now, your leg. Once your leg hits here, jump. The next thing, don't take off. Can I try it now? No, hold on first. You will try. The other thing, now you can pursue you. You don't need to run like this, like no need to run one way. Okay. Understand? Run straight, Ali. Yes, you don't need to run straight. What you do, run this way. Don't run straight. Okay. Try to run zigzag. Zigzag. Use your body. You move. Now, why you're running that way is because they fit aim you with bullets. Now, if that bullet they come, by the time you don't dodge, the thing go pass. But because they run straight, one man down. Yeah, sure. They don't get you. Now, we'll come this way. We'll try. Jump in. Remember, I said first of all, focus. Yes, focus. You get there, you jump. But first of all, let me teach you something. Now you come, jump here, one leg here, then you move. Focus. I don't know this. Now when you don't go up, now from here, give him hand. So you go with your hand. Now tear off, understand? Try the same thing. Come on. Let's go. That? Yes. Come down. It's going down. Fine. So that is how it is. Okay? Yeah. Now you will come this way. Okay. This one is for you. That's the spirit. The reason why I give you guys this small training is for all of us to understand that we have enemies. And the enemies we have is police. Yeah. They don't like you, you don't like them. So in a situation whereby Ekelebe is pursuing you, my brother, don't hesitate to do what? Use your weapon. Understand? That is your second man, your weapon. Once you use your weapon, believe it or not, that Ekelebe one man down. When you fail to use it, that means there is a problem. Because in the book of John chapter 1 verse 21, Imawa.
Sewah.
I know what talk because they know how.
Sewah.
So that is it.
See, let me tell you. Anybody will fuck up on my side, boss I can cook correct. Come on, boy, I will.
Sewah kutu. Wanda. Ayah, that's the spirit.
You're all welcome, my cabinet chiefs. Called you all here today so that we can sort out the issue between Ichie Mbanefo and Ichie Onubogu. Ichie Onubogu came here yesterday with his daughter and complained that Ichie Mbanefo's son raped his daughter on her way back from school. Nugwaluk. I sent my guards to go along with Chief Onubogu to bring Mbanefo and his son. And they came back and reported that your son chased them out of your compound. Were they gone? Ichie Mbanefo, Your Highness, I want to hear your own side of the story. Tell us what happened and why you did not obey my summons yesterday.
Your Highness, why this issue is laughable is that, hey, look at my son, a very big boy, a personality, being accused of raping a small girl like his daughter. If you see her tenderness, you will wonder what my son will be looking at her to attract him. The truth of the matter is this, that you did not expect us to have arrived to become popular people, rich people. After all, today my son is a millionaire. So it baffles you that such a thing can happen so soon. That is the only thing in it. Jealousy, envy that emanated from him. Simple. Simple. You're jealous.
Igwe, that's not true.
Let him finish.
My son is no longer that small boy of yesterday, a wretched boy. Today he is doing well. Just like my great friend here, who is doing well. That's just that. I can't see any reason he can go with his daughter to concoct lies and say that we raped, that my son raped. No. Let's know when we listen to facts, to good talk, not this concocted lies against my family. And I don't accept that. No.
I feel the elders. As in the Malaysia open our cars Ojoka no okay no ewu mo na ogure ojokuru onwe. I want to ask a question. Mazen Manefu, are you saying with every assurance that your son did not rape his own daughter?
Ask him.
No, I didn't expect you to go to that question because you know it is not true. It cannot work. I said, let me repeat. Look at my son critically. Now a big boy has so much money to throw about. Many beautiful girls, ladies in the city. How could he have left them to come to a small girl like him on the Bogo, who may still be a virgin? I saw the rape you can say Abanye.
You are a liar.
Were you there? No, tell us. Were you there witnessing them doing the rape? Or you just came to slander, to malign?
Sewah.
Years built over the years, you would just want in 1 hour to destroy it.
Igwe, my fellow elders, this young man we are talking about is a person whom I have known for years. His modus vivendi behavior is something to write home about. Let us avoid giving a dog a bad name in order to hang it. Because such scurrilous, pernicious, and unfounded rumors are capable of dragging this boy's image from the pinnacle of glory to the depth of ignominy and insignificance. Why this nonsense? Okay, let me tell you something. I gave up my daughter to be that boy's girlfriend because I know his way of behavior. I couldn't have given my daughter to any person. So please, Igwe, this type of thing is capable of discouraging our youths. Stop unnecessary lies. Stop unnecessary lies.
But the way I've looked about this, I can say that, jealousy is common
you know, and must not be encouraged. So I don't know really what happened, but all I have to say is that jealousy is common. So that's all.
Igwe, my fellow elders. Open on your bini look at Malabana. Kanguna is a Givana from Nikan, it is a very bad omen if our children can no more go to school and come back without being raped. It's a very bad reputation to the community.
If.
And such should not be treated with kiss blow. However, I want to ask another question. If your son is immaculate, is a very good man,
I trained him,
is innocent, just like you claim.
Yes.
So why did you decline Igwe's son?
Joya, you're hitting a point, a stronger point against the point you made earlier. Because if what you're saying has any iota of truth, I couldn't have been here.
Yes.
Look at me, look at Igwe. You said I rejected, I refused. But look at me sitting one-on-one with the Igwe that I came here to give respect.
Mazimbanefu.
So,
will you also say that your son didn't chase us out with a gun?
My son chased you out. Hold on, chased you people out. My son, one person. You people, how many? 3, 4.
With a gun?
No, one person chasing you out. And no bullet hit you. Manomo dey as you ga buy na see. Ana see we can need to pick you on the in that our big compound.
So is Igwe lying now? Igwe cannot lie.
No,
I nearly break my waist.
You asked a direct question. Let me give you a direct answer. If my son picked toy gun to throw away, why did you run in front of a toy gun?
Oh.
Toy gun! At times we're not supposed to be doing childish things. Childish things.
My chiefs. Mbanefo. Ichie Mbanefo. Akana Manzu. Thus is a respectable cabinet, and you are one of my respected chiefs. Your name should not be associated with anything like this. Okay, why I don't enjoy. Wow. Let this be the first and last that such a thing will happen. I don't want your name to be associated with any rumor or fact like this again. It's your number. If any neta nobody, the bygones. I'll give you enough money so that you take your daughter to the hospital and give her the medical attention she requires. Let this matter end here.
So, Papa, what do we do now?
Or are you supposed to let him go scot-free after raping me?
Deep down in my heart, God knows that I want him to suffer. Probably rot in jail. But then I said to myself, if those bullets he fired hit me and I died, what would be your fate?
Papa, you will not die.
Eh? That would have been a different story entirely. First thing tomorrow morning, I will take you to hospital where you will be examined and treated.
Okay, Papa. Thank you.
Osi.
Good morning.
Yeah. You are here rather too early. Osi. See, I don't have palm wine here too. I just still want to go and tap.
Don't worry, the king actually sent me to tell you to make it 2 cake instead of 1 cake. He will not be making use of it today until weekend.
Oh, weekend? No problem. It's okay, that's no problem. Okay, no problem. Please, send my regards to the king, okay?
Sewah we ga-abagodo. Ndị mebebe na babasị.
Dada. Na mbo nto. No! Ina abatakwa n'ogele. Nekwe ote negi iviem.
Mama, see. Papa, is it because I allowed you to make it that? This one you don't believe me.
Ote negi iviem. Akọkọ m n'ike, bọwa nekwe. Apachikwe mo. Ọ̀kàrẹ́gẹ̀ njọ. Ahùn ọwọ́ èlúwó ṣe ìdìm ọwọ́ èlúwó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mẹ́ṣẹ̀kọ̀ ẹwọ́. Àgẹ́wẹ́ ẹni ìwé gà-àkwụ ụgwọ. Ẹni ìwé akwụkwọ ụgwọ. Nkwanyere anya itinye isi. Oh, Jerusalem, oh, Jerusalem, oh.
How that's
How are you?
fine.
Thank you, welcome. Okay, you can get him. You can get him.
Asa Sewah, why is your face like this? What is it?
Not fine. Someone looked for my trouble.
Eh? Someone look for your trouble. Nya Asa Sewah kamari toloku no boda. Eh? Say what you want to. Baby, come tell me who be the person.
It is he who doesn't know my son that will go and trouble his girlfriend.
Tell me.
Is it Fatu? Yes.
Who is it, Fatu?
Oh, baby, you know him. The orphan that lives close to the village square. Can you remember?
Fatu. That stupid Okada rider.
He's the one.
Okada.
He's the one. Baby, he insulted me yesterday. As if that was not enough, he extended the insult. He said you are stupid and useless.
Hey! Mado. In fact, see, if I open my talk, say me will be Sewah is stupid and useless for this village.
He didn't only say that. He said more. He said so many unprinted words that I can't even remember. What I did was, I just ignored him and left. That's all.
See, calm down, babe. What led to the insults? Tell me.
Okay. See you. I was on my way to the market. Immediately I saw him. He wanted to give me a lift, although he offered to give me a lift. But I declined. I said no, that I don't want. Because he has been disturbing me. He has been pestering me in this village. Even after I told him that I have a boyfriend, that I'm dating you, he's still disturbing me. So that's just what happened.
Oh! Hey! You mean say if I annoy another boxers here? That is stupid Okada rider, be?
Yeah, have you seen this boxer?
See, baby, I don't want Jeremiah 20 for that guy because I been seen no him.
What?
No, you know him, I mean Sabiam. You know what? Nwa, couples here, almost a wakoto. Will take care of her.
Baby, I trust you.
Mom may take care of it. Come see down.
I trust you.
You know?
No problem. You need to really take care of him. Deal with him very well. Teach him a lesson.
Calm down.
Okay, no problem. Let me start going. I'll come whenever your father is in town. I really missed him.
Baby,
let me help you.
Sewah. Mba. Cool, say down. Mba, happens you.
The wages of sin is death, Lord. What a reborn, what a reborn, Parents, be careful, because your children are watching and learning from you. In all you say, in all you do, they are watching and learning from you. Criminal parents will most likely give birth to criminal children. Oh, if care is not taken, it will remain in the family. Oh, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow, the wages of sin is death. Oh, the wages of sin.